So we took this door, moved it down into the bathroom downstairs. We got our stairs done, rise and runs properly. Just getting ready now for the shower. Get the door in down here. Get this all turned up. So this is a new staircase and lighting. Completed, carpet done. In the staircase, we put in a light that basically, when you shut it down, every time you turn it on, it's a different setting. So the moon setting there is nice, and it also does a full fluorescent daytime light or the moon setting, and they're all on dimmers also. Little closet area, bathroom, sink, toilet, shower, sliding door. We did dimmers in here, but we also did the same thing with the lighting so that we can put on that moonlight, which is very nice. Just enough light in the washroom. You can bring it up also if you want to. So we'll keep it about there. This here is on three-way also. This is their main den. TV is in. Fireplace is on order. We got the wrong one sent by the manufacturer, so we got another one. Full barn door. Nice thing about the barn door is it's on a slow closer, so it catches itself and finishes the close. All in all, very sharp. This is an office. Small closet in the office. Bifold, small closet. That's all completed. Again, everything is on dimmer, including this room. It's down a bit low now. It can go quite a bit brighter. Same thing in here. This is a storage room. I'll just bring it up to full power, so nice and bright. We had a bit of bulkhead work to do, but it all turned out well. This is a storage closet, so we made an access and they can just pull it out and get at their storage. They left their storage room as is, but we did tie their, put in all new ventilation through the place. In the bathroom we put a 20-minute HRV, so basically same as any other house. You can have your 20, 40, 60. Shower door, a little bit difficult sometimes on a round shower. They have to be perfectly level, but this one is good. Everything's great with it. What else? The fireplace insert will go in here. Everything's plugged in the back. Water shutoffs are here. We had to make a little access panel for the shutoff there. All in all, it turned out quite well.